Here's a structured signal from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Operators are rewriting compliance playbooks to rebuild trust in waiting rooms and make safety messaging part of everyday operations. Executive summary: operations leads are starting to treat waiting room screens as part of their formal compliance workflow, not just as a comfort or marketing channel. New budget cycles and reporting requirements are pushing teams to prove that safety and rights notices are consistently visible, current, and documented. For sales teams, this creates a clear entry point around tying digital signage to compliance attestations and trust in patient-facing spaces. The risk for prospects is keeping screens full of ad hoc content, while compliance teams scramble separately, creating both audit gaps and mixed patient signals about how modern and trustworthy their brand really is. Today's signal: patient experience and compliance teams are reviewing what runs on waiting room screens against this year's required notices and safety language. Instead of treating posters and binders as the only proof of compliance, they are logging digital screen content as an auditable asset with timestamps and approval trails. This shifts patient-facing displays into a way to present a modern, trustworthy healthcare brand and meet compliance, safety, trust, and healthcare environments requirements within normal reporting cycles. Organizations using WellView 365 for present a modern, trustworthy healthcare brand can apply these patterns through established governance workflows. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, compliance owners now influence what appears on waiting room screens, not just marketing or patient experience. Second, budget tied to compliance and reporting can fund or upgrade digital waiting room communication. Third, vendors who connect screen content to auditable approvals and version history get pulled into compliance conversations earlier. Fourth, sales teams can anchor deals around reducing the risk of missed notices instead of only aesthetic or engagement improvements. How it works in practice. This shows up when teams prepare for annual compliance reviews and realize waiting room content has no formal owner or record. Compliance asks for proof that safety, privacy, and rights messages were visible, while patient experience points to a mix of slide decks, USB sticks, and outdated playlists. The process breaks when no one can show who approved which message, when it ran, or whether most locations have the same baseline content. When teams fix this, they assign ownership, standardize core compliance loops on many screens, and log updates alongside other attestations, which calms audits and reinforces a consistent, modern trust signal in most waiting areas. One practical adjustment. In your next outreach, ask who owns approval and record keeping for safety and rights messaging on waiting room screens, then offer a simple way to centralize and document it. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, add one discovery question about waiting room screens to all compliance, safety, or risk-oriented sales conversations. Second, map current customers where compliance teams already touch patient-facing communication and identify gaps in screen governance. Third, prepare a short example of a documented approval and time-stamped playlist change that satisfied an internal or external review. Fourth, coordinate with your champions to introduce compliance leads early, framing screens as shared infrastructure for trust, not just a core. Read more at wellview365.com.